This is not just a tech topic anymore. It's changing the economics of industries. It belongs on the agenda of every CEO.
I have to be honest, I've been a skeptic using AI in software engineering. Mid last year, coding agents came out. I looked at it and thought, oh, the game has fully changed.
Now, with the capabilities that agents have, you can really rethink the process, developing software from the very beginning to the very end. Building the software at light speed, that's what we're doing. The Software Factory is going to be a game changer, especially in regulated industries. So if you in your industry have a strong focus on software assets and they are a differentiating factor for you, the Software Factory is an obvious thing to invest in, right? Everyone will do it, and if you don't do it now, the compounding gap to your competition will hit you in half a year or a year's time. What we are after is a process that's automated from A to Z, humans controlling the outputs and the deliverables, but the actual work is done by agents.
The good principles of software engineering, of architecture, are still the same and still true. You can get AI to help you, but you need someone with the methodology, with the processes, thinking through an architecture.
And we at BCG Platinion, we built the Software Factory together with you and your teams, all the way from first ideation to full autonomous delivery, so that the outcomes of the factory can be trusted.
We at BCG Platinion have a unique access to challenges that companies face across industries, across regions.
We have a huge muscle in technology that I believe no one else in the market can bring.
We don't just talk, we show and we build jointly to demonstrate what is possible.
The opportunity is real. We are running pilots, proving value, really shrinking down the cost. We are driving software development to such a level that you will get out 5 times the efficiency you had in the past. We are bringing down the time to market and the complexities of legacy software to the age of AI, really reducing huge backlogs of thousands of workdays to a few hundred days.
One way to start, focusing on legacy migration. Enable your full tech landscape to be ready for the AI game. There's a huge compounding effect in terms of the experience you gain and the understanding how to use the power of AI.
This is one of the key topics that CEOs and CIOs are focusing on at the moment. This is a fast-moving topic and days count, not weeks.
We're at the very beginning and we just get started.